Phantom Wallet tutorial: how to send, receive, stake and swap on Solana. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you an overview about Phantom Wallet and how to send, receive and stake and swap on Solana. So let's get started. First, what you have to do is you will simply go to phantom.app and you will land on this platform right here. Phantom makes it safe and easy for you to store, buy, send, receive, swap tokens, and collect NFTs on the Solana blockchain. Phantom works with Solana. Solana is one of the blockchains that are available out there, and when it comes to buying and selling NFTs on Solana, then you may require Phantom.app, and there are different Solana games as well that you might be playing. So, how to get started with Phantom? You simply go to Phantom.app and you will land on this platform right here. Phantom allows you to go ahead and buy and sell NFTs very easily. You can also add it as your Google extension. So simply click on download right here. Phantom is actually an app for your mobile phone that you can download from here. But if you want to use it on your desktop, then you can go with any of these browsers. I'm gonna go with my Chrome and let's add it to our Chrome extension. So Phantom.app is available as a Chrome extension. Now, all I have to do is click on Add to Chrome, Add Extension. It will just take a few seconds to download the extension, and then I will be able to add it to my Google Chrome and use it on my desktop. So now I have my Phantom right here, a crypto wallet for DeFi and NFTs. So if you already have a wallet, you will click right here. But I'm going to create a new. So what I have to do now is add a password. I agree to the terms of service and continue. Secret recovery phrase, so I'm gonna click recovery, and this is keyboard shortcut. Continue. Now you're all done. You can simply go ahead and follow them on Twitter, and then you can visit the help center. For now, I'm gonna click on finish. Now it's added to my Google extension. Simply go to extension and pin it. Let's open it up. There you go. This is my Phantom wallet. Let me actually go ahead and expand it so I can show you everything. So unfortunately, you cannot open up the Phantom in a new tab because it is supposed to be an app. So simply click on your extension. So this is our Phantom wallet right here. Now I have my own wallet and these are my funds because we just created it. So this is my wallet one. If I want to change the name of this wallet, I will simply click right here and I can actually go ahead and change the name, but of course our secret ID will stay the same. Then we have this deposit option right here, send option. Then we have our blockchain right here. If I want to change it, right now it's Sol, you can see right here Solana. If I go back, then it will be turned into USD. So you can keep your wallet in USD as well for easier use, and it's like really good that we're getting this option right here on Phantom. Then we have this option which is like to deposit and send. If I go to this option right here, this is going to be your collectibles. The collectibles that you will buy on Phantom will be shown right here. Then we have this option right here, which is going to be the trade option. And we can simply go ahead and trade our Solana into other tokens as well. Then we have this option right here, which is the recent activity, and we get these settings here. Let me show you all of these one by one. So the first option is going to be deposit. Simply click on deposit, and now I can deposit from any of these different options. I can simply go ahead and buy with MoonPay and transfer from FTX, and there are other options as well. I can click right here on this plus icon and I can add a custom token metadata. So what you have to do is you will add your mint address, your name, and your symbol. Click on add and that method will be added right here. And after that, you will be able to go ahead and deposit right here on any of these. So that's like super simple. Then we have this send option. Click right here. Again, I can click this plus icon and I will add right here a token metadata. This will cost 0.00204 Sol to add a new custom metadata. Again, you will add a mint address, name, and symbol. Click on add and it will be added. This is how you simply send money. Again, we can simply go ahead and add Solana right here. click on deposit, and then you have your own QR code. Again, I can send money as well, and I will be able to add recipient's SOL address right here, their Solana address, and then I will add the amount. Let's go ahead and add an amount. I want to send them 10 SOL. 10 SOL is going to be $1,000 and 300. Right now I have insufficient balance, but you will simply add them right here. The at least amount that you can add is 0.0001 SOL. Now, simply click on cancel because we are not sending money right now. Again, you can go ahead and deposit send right here. Then we have the collectible options. Let's go right here to trade. In trade, I will pay in this amount. Right here, this token. Let's say I want to, pay in SOL. So I will click right here and add my amount. I want to convert 100 SOL to USDT. We have others as well, such as USD Coin, Serum, Radium, and Ethereum. Let's go with this one. Now I have 100 SOL and let's convert it to Ethereum. And it will show right here what I will receive. So that's what we get in here. This will vary, of course, according to the current price at the time of making this video. This is going to be 100 SOL, and then Ethereum will just load in a second. There are different rates. First of all, we have 1% of slippage tolerance, then we have estimated fee, and then we have price impact given right here. Once you have done the swapping, you have turned your SOL into Ethereum, you will simply click on review order. Similarly, I can go ahead and change them to anything if I want to. You can see right here, this is going to be USDC, and one SOL is 135 USDC. That's why I am receiving like 1300 for 100 SOL. And then this is going to be the estimate fee, which is going to be $0.2, and price impact will be 0.6%, and this is going to be the slippage tolerance. If I want to increase it, I will simply add, let's go ahead and add 1000. There you go. And of course the price will increase, and this is the the rate is given right here. It may vary when you will be converting it. Right now it's 135.13. so this is like how simply you go ahead and convert your SOL to other tokens and currencies. It's super easy to do. And then we have this option right here, which is going to be recent activity. Of course, in settings we get display language, we have address book, and trusted apps. In trusted apps, you can add different apps such as SolC. SolC is one of the largest Solana NFT marketplaces, and I will be connecting my Phantom to my SolC, and this is where I will be able to see that what kind of apps I have connected to my Phantom. And with Phantom, I will be able to buy, sell, and trade NFTs. If I want to change the wallet name, it was called wallet 1, and let's go ahead and change the name to maybe my wallet. There you go. So you can change the name as well. Then right here you will get my wallet. You can add another connect wallet, and then we have lock wallet option in here. So that is how you simply use Phantom. It's a super easy wallet that you can use for your Solana blockchain, and it will allow you to buy, sell, and trade NFTs, and also go ahead and buy different assets on Solana. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you know how to use Phantom.app. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.